People think verb to be is not very important, but actually it is one of the most important and frequently used verb. We sometimes say verb to be is the heart of English. If you are a beginner English learner, this video clip is for you because I am speaking slowly for you. Hi, I am Ramona, founder of Prospect English Academy and also an English teacher with 6 years of experience. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 easy ways to use verb to be. So let's get started. When it comes to verb to be, people always think like it is only am is are. Am is are. But actually no, that is the present form only. We still have past form. Past form of verb to be is was and were. So the first way to use verb to be is to describe our feelings. Yes, I would say it is always healthy to describe your feelings, to let people know what do you feel. So here I bring very simple sentence. She's happy. She is a female, so it can be a woman, it can be a small girl. So is. Is for singular subject. Okay, so she is happy. The second way to use verb to be is with our jobs. So here I would like to describe one common mistake which I find in my classroom with my students. So whenever I ask them, hey, what is your job? They like to say, my job is a YouTuber. My job is a builder. Actually, that is wrong. Just use verb to be easier. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. That's it. I'm a teacher. I'm a receptionist. I'm a builder. That's it. It's very easy. The third way to use verb to be is with nationalities and countries to show where are we from. So I have a couple of sentences. He's from Canada. He's Canadian. Canada, the country. Canadian, the people from Canada. So here, he is. Same with she is. She is singular. That's why we use is. Here also the same. He is singular. That's why we use is. His. So, the fourth way to use verb to be is with location. So here I bring one funny sentence. We're at the traffic light. This is a sentence used by my friends a lot. Whenever I ask them, where are you guys? Have you arrived? They will say, oh yeah, we're at the, traffic light. Actually, no. They're still in their house. So, we're at the traffic light. So another way to use verb to be is to show our personalities and our character, I would say. And here I have got a very beautiful sentence for you. You are smart. Yes, you're smart. So here what I want to highlight is in speaking, when we speak, we don't say, I am a teacher. We don't say word by word. We say, I'm. So I am becomes I'm. So here, I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. And same way goes to he is become like his. So he's Canadian. So you can also say she's, she's happy. you combine. That is better way. You don't say word by word, she is happy. Not really, she's happy. And we are becomes we're. We're at the traffic light. You are become you're. You're smart. You're smart. And this is the book I always recommend my students who want to do self-study for grammar. So actually this is a very good book. I love using this book. It has got colors and all those stuff. And here she says, my name's Lisa. This is not La Lisa from Blackpink, but this is Lisa from Essential Grammar book. So my name's Lisa. Use is to show, to describe your names. And I'm 22. I'm 22, her age. See, I'm American, I'm from Chicago, I'm a student. My father is a doctor and my mother is a journalist. My favorite color is blue. See, you also used MSR, verb to be, to describe your favorite something. And here, my favorite sports are football and swimming. I'm interested in art. I'm not interested in politics. Okay, we also use verb to be to make short questions or questions. Let's see. What's your name? And he said, David. Are you married? No, I'm not. How old are you? 25. Are you a student? Yes, I am. So, as you see now, verb to be is frequently used and useful verb. Okay, so these are the 5 ways to use verb to be easily. But some of my students in my classroom sometimes make mistake. So something like this. For example, I'm go to school. I am go to school. What is wrong in this sentence? Yeah, it is not I am go to school, but it is I go to school. So in this video clip, I talk about the common mistakes of verb to be which most of my students make. So I hope you enjoyed this video clip and I'll see you in next video. Bye bye.